Hey guys, it's Matt again, and I'm here with another CapSign demo because a lot has changed and I'm really excited to show you what's going on. One of the biggest changes has been that the whole app is practically on-chain now, using the blockchain as its database rather than having any centralized database components. Now, the only part that does have a database is the identities piece, and that's because it stores uh, sensitive documents like driver's licenses and stuff like that. So, for whoever's doing identity verification on the platform, that part is centralized and it has to be, but everything else you're going to see is 100% pure blockchain. So right now we're logged in as CapSign Inc., and this is kind of just a demo account that I'm here to show you. So don't take the data at face value necessarily. We are logged in as a corporation. So this is what you see in terms of the dashboard. And so we don't really have a valuation yet, but there's some shares. We have an equity breakdown, capitalization overview. So this is like a balance sheet, basically. Um, so anyway, this is the dashboard for companies. Uh, I'll go to tokens first. So tokens are the kind of cornerstone of CapSign, where you first have to tokenize an asset before you can do other things. So here we have common stock tokenized, and we can click into that to drill down and get more details. Right now we're on the base network. I'm going to switch over to the test net real quick because I have some more assets loaded here. But basically, if you want to tokenize an asset, you go here and you can select from the list. So share class has the best support at the moment. It's a painless process. And here we have an example of preferred shares, and we also have common stock. So I wanted to go in here and show you guys some of the things that we can do, all sorts of administrative tools. And then you can see the issuances that have been created, and then you can go into each one of these, and you can even adjust them as well, make on-chain adjustments that have a full audit log as well. So all actions are traceable. And we also have crypto that we can manage in the app as well. So we can send and receive USDC. We can swap, buy and sell using Uniswap. So that way it kind of makes it easy to load up funds through the platform. Um, if you're an investor, you would want to do that to invest in an offering, which is one of the most important features of CapSign. So uh, what we're seeing here is the offerings page. If we wanted to create a new offering, you would go to this form, which makes it dead simple to make it easy and regulatory compliant to sell securities like common stock or preferred shares. And basically, all you do is you fill in the form, you select the offering type. We currently support two, and you fill in the details, select what documents you want to use for the offering. So signature documents are basically the things that the investor and the company sign to execute the transaction. And we're currently working on using templates where the actual data gets generated in real time, and then you use the blockchain digital signatures to sign the document, and then the assets automatically um, get exchanged at that point. So basically, you just fill out the form, you create the offering, super simple, has smart contracts to help ensure compliance with all of the securities regulations. And then once you have an offering, you can go into the admin panel. And so that's what we're looking at here. It has a tracker for your progress and your fundraising effort, and you can edit some details here. You can add investors to the whitelist for a 506B offering, and you can manage documents associated with the offering here if you needed to make an update, and we can actually see them. Um, and then for 506C offerings, you'll be able to share and promote them. For 506B, you can only just use a private link. And then there's going to be analytics and insights in the future. So that's basically investment offering. And as an investor, what you would see is this form right here, which gives you all of the details. It gives you the documents, which you can go in and look at, and then basically make your investment in USDC, or you can do it in the shares. But anyway, this is like a one-to-one, $1 per share type thing. You certify, you select that, and then you can go ahead and invest. So I don't have enough balance, but so we won't. Maybe we'll save that for a future video. So this is the investment form, and then we have identities. So this page is a global registry of all of the different wallets on CapSign. And then we have some verified users. Verified means they went through KYC, and they've been verified, they've been identified, and we have the on-chain attestation. So they've been identified. In this case, it's not an individual, it's an entity. And then for entities, we add the entity name. So CapSign Inc. on-chain. And then we also have an investor accreditation verification. And this allows you to invest in Rule 506C offerings. And it has a similar on-chain attestation associated with it. So that's our identities. And then we have ledgers. So ledgers is a new product that I'm working on as a part of CapSign. If I switch over to the base mainnet, I have some ledgers that I've already created. So we can go into this RLUSD assets ledger. RLUSD is a stablecoin issued by Ripple on the XRP ledger and on Ethereum. And in this case, this is RLUSD on the XRP ledger. We can see there's a cash account that has a balance of 1,000, and then we could create a new account if we wanted. We can see that there's an existing entry right here. And if we wanted to create a new journal entry, we would go to this page and we can set the ledger, the account, and then the amounts. And so just like for an example, it could look like that. And then you could add more debits and credits as needed to post that journal entry. And so it uses the Coinbase Smart Wallet for every transaction. Makes it just super, super, super simple. So I just rejected that transaction because I don't actually want to post this. But finally, we have a documents page where you can upload documents, and it hashes the document and posts the hash to the blockchain. So this is how we kind of verify the authenticity of documents, especially documents that have been signed through the CapSign platform. So you can think of CapSign as kind of like Carta meets DocuSign on blockchain, because there's the equity management piece. It allows you to easily do your investment offering. It allows you to create and sign documents and guarantee the authenticity. And so that's kind of what this is all about. Anyway, I was hoping to get this demo done in under 5 minutes. We're almost at 9 minutes now, so I'm going to leave it there. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic rest of your week. If you're interested in learning more about CapSign, please just reach out to me. I'm happy to answer any questions. And thank you for your time.